Hi everybody and welcome back to SEO.Ninja. My name is Tristan and today I want to show you how to install the Facebook Messenger plugin on a Divi website. Now it's actually a pretty simple and straightforward process. I only ran into really one glitch and I want to show you how to fix that, and then I'm also going to kind of explain a little bit of why these things are cool and why they're important. But first things first, you need to go to your business page on Facebook, and if you're using a business account then this will be under your business settings, just to give you guys a heads up on that. You want to click over here where it says settings. And then we want to click over here where it says Messenger Platform on the left. And then we're going to scroll down. Now there's a couple things you want to pay attention here. Now the thing that was kind of goofing me up, and we never actually read any of the things that are on here, but it says when you're setting up the plugin, you need to whitelist the domain of your website. For security reasons, the plugin will only render when loaded on domain that you have whitelisted. So you need to whitelist your domain. To do that, we're just going to copy and paste like that. And then we hit save, and we're good. The next thing that we need to do is we need to come down here to where it says Customer Chat Plugin, click Setup, and then we can adjust our messages over here. We can change things however we want them to. So for example, on this website, we're going to be selling and providing tips for YouTubers that play video games. So we're going to click here for click me for free for a free list of the best YouTube and Instagram tags for what's a game that's coming out, Dauntless. Click save. Then we're going to hit next. So again, this is just going to be your call to action. This is what you're going to show people so that way they actually want to click on it. Over here you can set your response time. So for example, if it says something like, hey, this sometimes takes like a day for people to respond, that kind of turns people off, because they want, if they're talking to you on here, it's because they want the answer now. And I'm going to show you how we set this to reply instantly. But if you want to change your colors, so like if this is something that will fit your branding better or the design of your site, you can do that right over here. Then we're going to click next. And then again, make sure that the website that we're adding to this is over here in the whitelisted group. So we're going to copy that again, save. And now we have our code. So we're going to copy that. We're going to come over here to our website. Okay, I just realized I didn't actually install Divi on this thing yet. So now that Divi is installed and ready to go, we're going to come over here to Divi, Theme Options, Integrations. Then we're going to scroll down, and the text tells you to install this in the body portion of your site. So after the opening body tag. We've actually tried this on a couple of different platforms. So like on Weebly, we install it in the header and it works just fine. So you can do it that way, or if you want to put into the body tag, we have this option right here. It says add code to the body tag. Copy and paste that in, save changes. And then we're going to go check out the site. And there it is. Click me for a free list of the best YouTube and Instagram tags for Dauntless. Now, if you're not familiar with messenger bots or what these things are or why we're using it, let me show you a couple things real quick. If you click chat now, then normally I'm already logged in on here, but normally a little button will pop up over here. It says, hey, do you want to continue as your first and last name and your information from Facebook? Because this is the Facebook chat, okay? And when that happens, then you can come over here to something like mini chat, which is what we're using, and it will actually capture that person's information. Now initially it's not a lot of information. It's the person's name, their gender, language, things like that. But as you build out the messenger bot, then you can start collecting a whole bunch of other information. You can add tags to these, so that way if you want to target specific people in the future with your ads or with messages from your bot, then you can do that using the specific tags. If you want to use this to capture email addresses, then you can do that by adding a custom field. Now that is a paid feature, but the paid version is only like $10, so it's not exactly a huge deal. But you can add in the name, phone number, and email of a person, and it will copy all that information here into the platform, and then you can export this to whatever platform you're using for your email marketing, like MailerLite or whatever, and you can do that through something like Zapier. So then as soon as somebody opts into this, they're automatically added to that email list, and then they're automatically put into an email funnel. They're also going to be put into a messenger funnel. But That's how you install a Facebook Messenger bot on the Divi website. I hope that answered some of your questions, and if you have any more, just let me know in the comment section, because that's what it's for. I will see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.